Today, let's put together the single-cylinder ConeCrusher model.
Hydraulic cylinder, piston, piston wear plate, thrust washer, lower frame, transmission shaft frame, transmission shaft, pinion, pulley, frame bushing, eccentric bushing, main shaft sleeve, wear ring, main gear, dust cover, retaining ring, steel ring, inner gasket ring, main shaft and moving cone, main shaft wear plate, dust seal ring, support ring, mantle, main shaft internal nut, seal ring, main shaft nut, upper frame, concave, clamping ring, main shaft upper bushing, upper frame oil seal, boom bushing, boom cover.